My dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool, and this is Mokter Hossain, Assistant Teacher, National Ideal English Version School Day Shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class 6, and our today's topic is Chapter 1, Lesson 4 and 5 discussion. So my dear students, let's see the board. Class 6, Subject Islam, topic Chapter 1, Lesson 4 and 5 discussion. Lecture number 3, SW number also be 3, and SW topic 5 KBQ from Lesson 4 and 5. So dear students, now let's start our today's topic. At first, I would like to say that in lesson 4 and 5 there are many sentences. All of you will learn every sentence, you will read every sentences properly, but today I will discuss some of the important sentences of the lesson 4 and 5. At first, Iman Muzmal. The English pronunciation is given here: Amantu billahi kama huwa bi asma'ihi wa sifatihi wa qabiltu jami'a ahkamihi wa arkanihi. Meaning, I have faith in Allah, who is exactly as He is with all His names and attributes, and I do accept all His commandments and all that He has enjoined on us. Now, significance. The meaning of the word Iman is faith, and Muzmal means brief. So, Iman Muzmal means faith in brief. Dear students, I repeat, Iman Muzmal means faith in brief. You can say that, you can call faith in short. In another word, Iman Muzmal means to have faith in Allah and pay allegiance to Him. Through this expression, we fully accept Allah's authority and commandments. My dear students, now another topic, Al-Asma'ul Husna. Dear students, Allah has, you know that Allah has 99 special names. This is called Al-Asma'ul Husna. So, let's start. Asma'ul Husna is an Arabic term. Asma means names and Husna means beautiful. So, Asma'ul Husna means beautiful names of our Almighty Allah. The beautiful names of Allah are collectively called Asma'ul Husna. Many attributes of Allah are mentioned in the Holy Quran, but as a Muslim, we know about 99 attributes of Allah. Some of them are discussed today. Some of them will be discussed today. The first one is, for example, Allahu Khaliq. Allahu Khaliq means Allah is creator. He has created us. He has also created everything of this universe. Now the second one is Allahu Malik. Dear students, Malik is an Arabic word also. So Malik means possessor or owner. So the meaning of Allahu Malik is Allah is possessor. So everything on earth is under the possession of Allah. Now the third one, Allahu Karim. Dear students, Karim is an Arabic word also. Karim is an Arabic word. It means kind, generous, etc. Allahu Karim means Allah is very kind and generous. Virtues like generosity, kindness, love, affection, tolerance, forgiveness are parts of His entity. Now another example of attributive names of Allah, Allahu Alim. Dear students, look, Alim is an Arabic word and it means omniscient. It indicates somebody who knows everything or who is the possessor of all types of knowledge. So Allah is Alim because He is the source of all knowledge and His knowledge is unlimited. There is none comparable to Him. The student, the last one is Allahu Hakim. Hakim is an Arabic word. It means wise, prudent, ingenious, dexterous. So Allahu Hakim means Allah is very wise, prudent and dexterous. He has been governing the universe with great prudence and wisdom. Now dear students, now SW topic, you will make 5 KVQ any 5 from lesson 4 and 5. Dear students, for making SWKBQ, that means knowledge based question, some of you have written elaborate question. It will be short. Question and answer will be short. It may be, it should be, the answer should be written in one sentence and question also should be in a short form. Sometimes it may be in 2 sentences or 2 lines, but not more than 2. So dear student, you have to be more careful about writing SWKBQ. Dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic properly. Keep practicing at your home. Abide by your parents. See you again, inshallah. Till then, assalamu alaikum.